St. Joseph College for Women, Autonomous Visakhapatnam. Welcome to St. Joseph Open Web-based learning platform, So eLearn, for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. Department of Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph College for Women Autonomous presents SMOOC, St. Joseph Massive Open Online Course. I, Dr. K. Rajni, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph College for Women Autonomous, Visakhapatnam, presents Module 2 ERP Solutions and Functional Modules. Module 2 ERP Solutions and Functional Module. Chapter 2.4 Business Process Management. The contents of Chapter 2.4 are Introduction to Business Process Management, Benefits of Business Process Management, Key Components of BPM, Challenges to Overcome Challenges to BPM, Future of BPM. The outcome of Chapter 2.4 are students will be able to understand the concept and importance of business process management in a modern organizations, to identify and explain the business processes and their components, and to analyze and document business process using appropriate process mapping techniques, and to understand the business process management life cycle, including process design, modeling, implementing, monitoring, and improvement, to identify process inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and risk in business operations, to apply business process management techniques and tools to improve organizational efficiency and productivity, to understand the role of technology and automation in managing business processes, and finally to suggest process improvements to enhance quality, reduce cost and time, and improve customer satisfaction. Business process management driving agility and efficiency. It's a strategic approach to optimizing organizational performance through a systematic process discovery, analysis, and continuous improvement. It is a systematic approach to designing, execution, monitoring, analyzing, and improving business processes to achieve organizational efficiencies. Simply, it means managing and improving the way work is done in an organization. For example, in college, student admission process may involve application submission, document verification, fee payment, approval, and admission confirmation. So, this business process management helps the college to identify delays, reduce paperwork, automate activities, and make the admission process faster and more efficient. Why businesses struggle? To disconnect, business and IT terms often operate in silos, creating misalignment that leads to shared failure and missed opportunities for collaborations, and the complexity overload. Modern organizations face increasingly intricate processes that span multiple departments and making it difficult to maintain agility and respond to change, and the need for speed. In today's fast-paced market, slow processes means lost opportunities, frustrated customers, and competitive disadvantage. Business process management is a comprehensive discipline focused on discovering, monitoring, analyzing, measuring, improving, optimizing, automating business processes. It's about understanding how actually work gets done within our organization and systematically making it better, faster, and more efficient. Um, so it involves several activities like process identification, process modeling, process execution, process monitoring, track the performance and identification problems, process analysis, examine delays, cost inefficiencies, and process improvements, modify the process to improve performance, and the continuous improvement that improves the processes for the organizational achievements. The transformative benefits of BPM: enhanced efficiency, streamlined operations, eliminated bottlenecks, reduced waste across all business functions so that the organization can improve efficiency, and improved agility, respond faster to market changes, trends, customer demands, customer preferences, and emerging opportunities so that you can improve your efficiency, and greater visibility, gain clear real-time insights that are transformed into process improvement performance that and identify improvement areas, and the cost reduction, optimize resource allocation, minimize errors, reduce operational expenses, and it support automation. It provides better process visibility, helps organizations to adapt to changes, and all that leads to improved decision making. In short, BPM means understand the process, manage it, monitor it, and improve it continuously for sustainability in the market. From complexity to clarity, business process management cuts through organizational complexity, replacing tangled workflows with a streamlined, efficient processes that deliver measurable results. Key components of a business process management framework. First one, a model driven environment. Visualize processes using intuitive diagrams and flowcharts, enabling stakeholders to understand complex workflow at a glance and identify optimization opportunities. And second component is BPMN, Business Process Model and Notations, a standardized graphical notation that provides a common language for specifying business processes, ensuring consistency across teams and systems. Next, third one is BPEL, Business Process Execution Language, orchestrate and automates processes across different systems and platforms, enabling seamless integration and execution of complex workflows. And other components like process design, process execution, process modeling, process monitoring, process analysis, process optimization, and process roles, automation, key performance indicators measure process effectiveness and efficiency, that improves organizations operations. Overcoming adoption challenges. First one, resistance to change. Address employee concern through clear communication and foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Tool selection. Choose the right BPM that suits and technologies that align with your organizational size, budget, and strategic objectives. And the third one, integration hurdles. Ensure seamless connection between business and existing IT capabilities through a careful planning and phased implementation. BPM and service oriented architecture. SOA. SOA Foundation. Service oriented architecture provides the architectural foundation for flexible, reusable, and interoperable services. BPM orchestration. BPM leverages these services to automate and manage complex business processes across the organization. Strategic alignment. Tightly connecting business process with IT very crucial for achieving operational excellence. Getting started with the business process management. Define clear goals. What specific outcome do you want to achieve with the BPM? You just establish a measurable objective that align with the business strategy. Secure leadership buy-in. Ensure executive support and sponsorship for the initiative. Leadership commitment is essential for driving organizational change. Start small. Identify one critical process for initial optimization. Choose something impactful but manageable to demonstrate quick wins. And invest in training. Equip your team with the necessary skills and knowledge that effectively use BPM tools and methodologies. The future is agile, embracing BPM for sustainable growth. BPM is not just a tool, it's a strategic imperative for business aiming for sustained success in a dynamic and competitive world. First, align. Connect business strategy with the operational execution. Automate. Streamline respective task and workflow. Optimize. Continuously improve performance processes based on data. Thrive. Achieve sustained competitive advantage. Thank you.